Well, I had the glass people come out and take the windshield out, and as you can see, it's pretty rough around the windshield frame. It still looks solid, but certainly needs to be addressed. So got to work on that. So that's what I'm going to try to get done this weekend, so by Monday they can put the windshield back in it. Well, working on the windshield frame still. Had a low spot here, so I worked on filling it in. Found a rust hole here, and found a rust hole here. So the previous repairs had been done. The silicone that was in here was so thick it was like rope. Anyway, it's absolutely horrible. So I've cleaned it all out, getting it solid again so I can put a windshield back in this and not have it leak. So hopefully I can get it fixed today. Well, I got a windshield in it. Turned out pretty good. Got one little chip in the paint I gotta fix. Otherwise, pretty good. The wipers are in the garage getting painted, so the wipers look correct. Then I can wash this hog. Yeah, pretty good.